Jamaican singing sensation Tessanne Chin returned home a short while ago, as you saw. Tessanne, who is on Tuesday, won the NBC talent show The Voice, arrived a while ago at the Norman Manley International Airport, where she was greeted by government officials, family and journalists. In a statement this afternoon, telecommunications company Digicel said it flew Tessanne home that we can see. And we'll be joining them in just a moment. Jamaican singing sensation Tessanne Chin returned home a short while ago. Tessanne, who is on Tuesday, won the NBC talent show The Voice, arrived this evening at the Norman Manley International Airport, where she was greeted by government officials, family and journalists. In a statement this afternoon, telecommunications company Digicel said it flew Tessanne home. Now, TVJ, which aired The Voice, got the first interview, and we now join Smile Jamaica's Simone Clark Cooper, who is at the Norman Manley International Airport. Simone?
Good evening to you, folks. We are coming to you live from the Norman Manley International Airport. And when you see us cut news, you must know it's something important. Our girl is home. Tessanne is home.
I'm home.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
We missed you.
I missed home.
How does it feel to be home after so much time away? When you landed on the tarmac, tell me what went through your mind.
Tears were going on in my eyes, or welling up in my eyes when I just saw the lights of my country, and that feeling is indescribable. The pride and just I'm home. I'm home with my people, and I'm so happy to be.
I think you want some good oxtail.
What? I hope Cuff set it up in the oxtail now. Oh.
I know the plan. All right. So what hasn't happened in 28 years happened in what, 4 months?
It's a couple, yeah.
Have you soaked it all in? How does it feel?
No, I have not soaked it in, and it's just surreal. The past 2 days have just meshed into like one day, you know, because we've been doing a lot of work, a lot of press, a lot of promotion, but you would not find a happier person right now, and I'm very, 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 very grateful.
I remember when you were leaving to do the battle rounds, we spoke on Smile. And at the time, so many people were coming at you, and I said to you, Voices, how do you manage? And you said, Simone, this is what we work for.
That's right.
So this is what you've worked for.
That's what we've worked our little butts off for this, and I will not complain. And you know, I hope to do this more often in the future, and this is what it's about. So I'm just taking it in my stride and trying to stay in the moment and stay focused. And you know, the next 10 days that I'm here, I want to just relax and you know, bond with my family and you know, go hug up my little nephew. Both of them, him and Jomar. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing, and then we go back for the Rose Ball Parade in LA on the 1st of January, and then hopefully soon after that we'll start to record.
So you have 2 weeks at home?
Well, a little less than 2 weeks.
A little less than 2 weeks, but you're going to make the most of it.
Yes.
And what happens from here? Talk to me about next steps. When you leave, you have an album pending for March, don't it?
Something like that. We'll see. You know, hopefully we can link up with the right producers and writers to make that happen. And yeah, I'm very excited about it. And we're also doing Shaggy and Friends.
Yeah, I know.
So that's going to be very exciting because you know, I've always supported that, and I support Shaggy in that, so I'm very, very happy to be a part of it.
Tumbling down, doing well. Man, Tess, you must be so tired, but we are so proud of you.
I'm not tired at all.
You're not tired.
No, I'm not.
Were you at all, or how do you feel? I don't think you have been surprised about the groundswell of support from Jamaica, from the diaspora. I've been following you on Twitter, from your USA fans, your Philippines fans, Hawaii.
Unbelievable. I didn't expect it to be so much of a big deal, you know, and people have just rallied, and you have to believe me when I tell you I felt it. I still feel it. I felt the love and support all the way over there, and that's what took me through, because I knew I couldn't just do it for me anymore. I had to do it for a bigger reason, and I thank them for giving me that reason. I thank them for supporting me.
Yeah. Highest point of this, outside of this trophy sitting right here, was it Celine, or was it the relationship that you built with the folks? Or is there no one high point?
There is no one high point, because I think every situation that we're put in, every peak of the show came with different moments, you know, and one being Celine, one being with Adam, one being when we first got to #1, you know, and one just being the fact that I was surrounded by some of the most talented people ever on that stage. So
yeah, how much pressure is this for you? A lot of folks are saying, especially the big, the top magazines in the business, the pundits are saying that you are the first voice from The Voice that's going to be a superstar.
Oh.
Is that a lot of pressure on you?
No, because I can only do what I know how to do, and what I know how to do is sing, and that's the one thing I am most confident about. So as long as I get a chance to make the kind of album that is, you know, will touch people and have some fat beats on it, I'll be happy, and I think that's, I won't let that get to me.
Yeah. Well, we saw you transform into Chinita.
Yeah.
It's not a problem. What would you like to say? We're going to wrap it up because
No
we have to head back
problem.
to our news hour. But I'm going to give you the chance to speak to your fans who
My
are watching
Jamaican
right
people.
now. Yeah, man, who long to see you and love
I
you
just
wholly.
have to tell you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you. I feel you. I felt your support all the way over there. And I share this with you. This is yours as much as it is mine. So thank you very much. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.
Let her feel it?
It's heavy, you know, Simone.
Let her feel it. Okay, you can feel it.
I
right.
went to the gym with this.
Just landed. Thank you, Tess, for speaking with us.
Thank you.
We're back to the news hour on TVJ, folks.
Thank you very much, Simone and Tessanne. We love you too. Congratulations once again. You've made us so proud. Time now for the Financial Week.